सो गाइस फाइनली 8 साल के बाद एसएप रॉकी ने अपनी एल्बम को ड्रॉप कर दी है, जैसे कि हम पे बहुत ही बड़ा एहसान कर दिया भाई ने ड्रॉप करके, है ना। तो आज हम इसी के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे और हम इसी पे बात करेंगे। टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था इस एल्बम को लेके 2024 में, पर उन्होंने डाली नहीं। मुझे लगा यार भाई क्यों नहीं डाल रहे, उसके बाद 2025 में भी नहीं डाली। अरे भाई अपनी एल्बम को अपनी बत्ती बनाओ और उसे डालो कार्ड दिस टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग। आई वाज लाइक ओके विल लिसनिंग टू दिस and I gotta say it's fire bro, and it's so experimental as well. और जब मैंने पंक रॉकी म्यूजिक वीडियो देखा, it was damn good track for me. The way their song carries the post-punk vibes you can hear in the beat, and that beat sounds so nostalgic. When it was playing, I genuinely thought Joy Division about to hit the mic again, but Rocky took the inspiration and said, "Let me cook." And bro actually did it. Even the music video was crazy with Winona Ryder from the Stranger Things. I knew it. This girl is so good wherever she goes, and she kills it. And Rocky killed it too with his mic presence. और भाई ये एप्पल म्यूजिक वालों में सुबह सुबह इतना लेट कर दिया ना। वैसे मैं तो सुनता नहीं हूँ ना, क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत गरीब हूँ, मेरे पास कहाँ से होगा एप्पल म्यूजिक। हम तो सुनते हैं यूट्यूब पे लाला। पर ये यूट्यूब वालों ने ग्राफिक के साथ बड़ा मस्त डाला था। वाओ। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस ट्रैक्स। ऑर्डर ऑफ द परफेक्शन। दिस सॉन्ग इज सो गुड and the intro was good as hell. His flow was clean. It really set the tone for the album. This album has a lot of experimental songs and dives into many genres like hip hop, metal, punk, R&B, indie, jazz, which was my favorite part of this album. And it made the album way more interesting for me. And like take the helicopter track. It carries the rage rap vibes like the current rap scene. It was also featuring Playboy Cardi, but Cardi didn't finish his verse. And the leak verse honestly sounds so ass. Thank God bro, it didn't make the album, because it was not fitting on the Rocky's track at all, and his flow was weird as well. I'm in Adidas, all of my hoes they eat us, which one? And yeah, this song was the second single from the album, and it was so good. Even the skit on this album tell us more about what Rocky was doing all these years, and he was making good album, and he didn't want to rush it. I think he didn't want to rush it. The interrogation skit especially explains his process, and he talks to us face to face about what he was doing, how he was pushing his producers and constantly improving his sound. मैंने बोला हाँ भाई समझ गया, अब सुनने भी देना कितना इम्प्रूव किया है या हवाबाजी कर रहा है, सुनने दे भाई. Songs that carry different vibes like Stay Here have a strong R&B energy and feature Brent Faiyaz, and it also sample Muto by Ken Carson, and it goes so hard. Not gonna lie, it's my favorite track on the album, and tracks like Playa and Trapeze sound so majestic. She carries the indie vibes both in the beat and the intro, and the intros were beautiful. And Rocky absolutely killed it on the both. Kinda sounds like a metal song, and it goes hard as well. Transition between this song and punk Rocky goes even harder, especially because both tracks carry the completely different genres. And people were saying Frank Ocean was on the Air Force, but I don't think it was a prank. I don't know why y'all thought that he'd randomly come back. Whiskey is another of my favorite track. It sounds like a soul music, so good. The title track, Don't Be Dumb, and the end, also great. I love this kind of music. It genuinely makes me feel high as fuck. Robbery was a fire too. I didn't expect jazzy Rocky, but I loved it. I never thought that he as a Rocky on the jazz beat, and Deutsche is my favorite artist. But whatever she did on this track was not bad at all. She was good in this track. At least it was not like anxiety, people trying me. And the features overall were solid. Tyler the Creator, Brent Faiyaz, Wes Hagen, and the others all did his job. But at the end, it's Rocky's album, and he killed it. So yeah, in conclusion, I love lesbians and bisexual girls. और हाँ, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, और ऐसे ही हिंदी में ऐसे रॉकी की वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें. Okay? Thanks for watching.